If you're a creator, listen to this. This AI tool can generate logos, text to video, and sound effects without switching websites. And yes, it's ridiculously easy. Let me show you. First, head over to Remaker AI. Just click the link in the description and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see they have a ton of AI tools. AI meme generator, AI baby generator, and a lot more fun stuff. But for this video, I'm starting with their logo generator. Alright, let's create a logo for a restaurant called Fin and Bun. I've already written a prompt, so let's copy it and paste it into the main symbol section. We've already added the logo name above, so there's no need to repeat it here. Now select the industry. If you want, you can also choose a color scheme and a style. For this first test, I'm leaving both empty, just to see how the AI handles it with default settings. And here's the result. The icon looks amazing. But yeah, the text needs a little fixing. No problem, let's fix that. I'm moving the Fin and Bun text into the logo name section and regenerating it. And wow, this one turned out really clean. Alright, let's test another idea. Here's the next prompt. A butterfly emerging from a luminous bulb, wings open, looking up, symbolizing growth and potential. This one belongs to the non-profit industry. I'm selecting a pastel color scheme and a minimalist style. And honestly, it looks awesome. Now let's switch the style to 3D. Oh my god, look at these logos. This is insanely useful. Let's try one more style, hand-drawn. Yeah, this is really good. Now let's create something a bit more bold. A skateboard logo featuring the text Wish Kid, stylized with dynamic curves, placed on a skateboard deck. This falls under sports and fitness. I'm switching the style to 3D again. And this time, the text came out exactly how I imagined. If you want more variations, you can just hit regenerate and explore different versions. Let's change the color scheme to vintage. And there you go. Clean, creative, and done in seconds. These are just some of the other variations I created as well. Now let's move forward and try their text-to-video tool. I'll paste my prompt here, switch to the latest model. I'm going with a 9:16 aspect ratio. You can also upload a reference image here if you want, which is actually pretty cool.
A few moments later.
All right. The video looks good, but something feels missing. Yep, sound. No worries though, because you can add that using AI too. Let's download this video first. Now upload it here. You can write a custom prompt for the sound, but I'm leaving it blank this time. And that's it. It automatically added the perfect train sound, exactly how I wanted it. And that wraps up today's video. Feel free to explore the other tools on Remaker AI and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. I'll see you in the next one.